view my screen clearly now. So you guys can able to view my screen clearly now, right? So today we discuss the topic called analytical function. Okay, analytical. Okay, in analytical function, what exactly we try to discuss
Sir,
is
I can't say anything, sir.
okay. So you cannot see anything now. One second. Let me just click on. I think I
Yes,
forgot to
sir.
click. Okay. Now, can you able to view my screen clearly now?
No, no.
Now,
Yeah.
okay.
No.
So we'll discuss about the
Yeah, yes,
analytical
sir.
function now. Analytical functions. I think these functions I forgot telling you. Analytical function: rank, dense rank. Okay, rank, dense rank, and partition. Partition by clause. Okay, partition by clause, and then we have to also see about this having clause also. Okay, we'll see about the having clause also, and row ID and row num. We'll see difference. Okay, what do you mean by a rank function? Rank will be given based upon the salary of every employees in the company. Dense rank also will be given the salary based upon the employees in the company. But the difference between the rank and the dense rank is rank function with the dense rank. Rank function generates gaps. There is a gap inside the rank function, but there is no gaps. No gaps. Okay, no gaps. We'll see practically now. Okay, let's just go the practical. Okay, now let's just go here. Let's just go from the top. Okay, let me make it off all over again, and then okay. Suppose if I type here select star from JEWEL Joule. This is my table. From my table, I want from this table, I want to do what exactly? Every salary based upon the salary of an employee, the rank will be given. Okay, not based upon each department, based upon the salary, the rank will be given. How we will give the rank? Select. Okay, how exactly I'm selecting? Selecting a first name. Okay, comma sal. Okay, now
Hello.
what exactly I
Hello.
want to do? I want to create a rank function. Okay, I want to put a
Zik-
rank function here. Rank
Zikam.
function. I'm putting here. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
सॉरी
Yes, Amin.
सॉरी भाई नहीं मुजाहिद बोल रहा हूँ सॉरी मेरा डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था प्लीज
अच्छा मैं फिर से रिपीट करता हूँ ओके once again I am repeating now again
या
okay
सॉरी थैंक
we
यू
will discuss about so we will discuss about analytical functions rank dense rank partition by clause and also we'll discuss about having clause row id and row num okay analytical function see we have discussed about different function right string function we have discussed multi row functions we have discussed so there is some topic which we have got which is analytical functions. So based upon every employee's salary, rank will be given. For every product, there will be a rank. Okay. So how exactly we'll try to give a rank? We'll see practically in detail. This is our following table. Based upon our table, select star from Joule. And all these employees are there. Okay. Based upon this one, I want to whoever salary is more, I want to give rank 1, then rank 2, then rank 3, this one. Now, what is different? Suppose, for example, 8,000, 8,000. Both are same, right? So how it will be happening? There is a gap generated. There is no gaps. How will be the output looks like? We'll see it practically once we get a very clear idea what is rank function, what is meant by doesn't rank. So let's just go here. Select. Okay. First name. Select first name, comma, sal. Okay. Comma, RANK rank. Hmm? Like this. Okay. Rank function we are using. Over. Okay, over is a clause. Whenever we are using a rank, we have to use over clause. Okay, over order. By what we want to do? Whoever salary is in descending means higher order. Okay, whoever salary is in higher order, they will be first rank. Okay, Now, order by salary. Descending order means highest salary. Okay. Close the bracket. We open here order by salary descending. What we wanted to do here, as we wanted to give a rank to the employees. From which table you want to do? You want to do it from the jewel table. Okay, jewel table. See. Kishore, rank 1. You got it now, right? Mujahid, TV, 8,000, Nam second. Sri, Deepak, Wajahat, Altaf, Ahmed. You got it now? See, same values means see, 2, 2, 2, 2, 8,000 3 times 2. Generating a gap. Rank function generate a gap means what? 3, 4, 5. Where is 3? Ahmed, Shravanti. Where is 3? Rank have no gaps. Sorry, rank have what? Gaps. Dense
S.
rank. One more I tell you,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Dense rank. Same thing I am doing here. What exactly? Same thing. Dense rank means same thing I am doing here. In place of rank, I am putting here DENSE underscore dense rank. Difference you see what? 1, 2, 2, 2. Second will be 3. It is not coming 5. Are you getting now? Gaps are there, gaps are not there. Are you getting now? Amish, Shravanti and all.
Mm.
Here, rank number
Yes.
1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Then 2, 2, 2. 3, 4. Then 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is gaps. Here in dense rank, there is no gap. What if I wanted to give the rank based upon what I want to give the rank? I want to give the rank based upon the each department. I will use the clause called partition clause. Partition by clause. Every department, every product, anything you can take example. We are giving what rank based upon the department. We are using which clause? Partition by clause. Till here you got very clear now, right? Rank and dense rank. Rank have gaps, dense rank have no gaps. Okay. Now we'll see the practically with respect to the partition clause. See, F name, salary, dense rank over partition by job, order by salary descending.
Hello.
As Amir, select first name, salary, dense rank. Same thing I'm giving the rank. Based upon what? Partition clause I'm using here. By job. Partition by job. Order by salary, descending order. All these things I'm giving what? A rank. Based upon the jewel. If I do here like this, every department, see here, Sri is in different, Sri and Altaf in one department only. Observe carefully. Sri and Altaf is in one department or not? Sri and Altaf. Sri is in finance, Altaf is also in finance. Sri is one, Altaf is second. Are you getting now? All of them. Shravanti, Amir. Sri is first rank, Altaf is second. Similarly, if you go to the other department, okay, go to the other. Based upon the department, we are giving rank. Okay, let's just take here Deepak. Deepak 1, Nishant second, for example. Okay, if you see here like this on the table, 6,000. No, one second. Department name. What is the department name of I put myself? I put myself to PLSQL. Deepak also PLSQL. But salary 8,000, 6,000. First, second. Are you guys getting now?
Yeah, yeah.
Based upon the department, I am giving rank. Getting right?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Now, till here, any questions you guys are having now? Till here, any questions?
No, sir.
No.
Now, before I go to this topic, one more topic I forgot telling you. Lag and lead function. Okay, lag function and lead, LEAD, lead function. This is also an analytical values. What do you mean by lag means? Lag means previous value. Whenever we talk about lag means yes, value will be displayed.